Find level ground and make sure that there are no obstructions nearby. Check that you have all the parts required for assembly. Remember, keep the leaf spring sleeves on during assembly and over the life of your trampoline. These sleeves provide crucial protection in the unlikely event of a leaf spring breaking. Wear the Woolly gloves at all times when installing your trampoline. Lay out each lower frame tube in a circle. Lower frame tubes are those with leaf spring holes. Ensuring that the leaf spring holes are facing upwards. Place the upper frame tubes around them. Position a joiner pole in the gaps around the frame tubes. Note, the feet of the joiner poles must face outwards and the joiner connector inwards. Choose a joiner pole. Slide lower frame tubes into both sides of it and an upper frame tube on the left side only. Go around your trampoline, connecting each remaining upper and lower frame tube to each joiner pole until you complete the frame. See that your completed frame matches the image on your screen. Unravel and lay your trampoline mat inside the frame, ensuring that it is flat with the print facing upwards. Find the Woolly batch tag on the mat and rotate the mat so that the batch tag lines up with a joiner pole. Note, the net entrance will be between the two joiner poles to the right of the batch tag. Rotate your mat to the desired position, but always ensure that the batch tag lines up with a joiner pole. The Woolly logo should be centered between two joiner poles. Go around your trampoline, inserting leaf springs into the lower frame to the right and left of every joiner pole. Ensure that when you insert the leaf springs, the locking plates face outwards and that they firmly secure into the lower frame. Connect the leaf spring that is to the right of a joiner pole into the mat connector to the right of the batch tag. Go to the opposite side of the frame, counting mat connectors against leaf springs as you go. And connect the leaf spring that is to the right of the opposite joiner pole to its corresponding mat connector. Repeat for each leaf spring to the right of a joiner pole. Then, repeat for each leaf spring to the left of each joiner pole. Unravel your safety net and lay it on top of your trampoline mat. Find the Woolly batch tag on the safety net and rotate the net so that this batch tag lines up with the one on the mat. Ensure that the PP belts on the safety net are on the outside and that they also line up with the joiner poles. Unfasten the leaf springs that is to the right of the batch tag. Loop the net connector hole through the mat connector and reattach the leaf spring. Repeat for each leaf spring and mat connector on both sides of every joiner pole. Go around your trampoline. Inserting the remaining leaf springs, ensure that when you insert the leaf springs, the locking plates face outwards and that they firmly secure into the lower frame. Go around your trampoline until you have inserted and connected every leaf spring. Ensure that you slip the mat connectors through the net connector holes as you do so. Tip: to use the leaf spring tool, hook the lever over the leaf spring, just beneath the natural bend in the spring. Push the handle towards the mat, and as the spring bends, attach it to the mat connector. Go around your trampoline and fit the safety clips onto the mat connectors. Connect each upper and lower net pole. The lower net pole is the one that is reinforced at the bottom, and position them at each joiner pole. Insert each net pole plug into every upper net pole. Ensure that the materials are not twisted and that the upper net pole is facing outwards. Lift a net pole, raising the net at the same time, and insert it into the joiner pole. Repeat for each net pole until you have completely erected the safety net. Note: ensure that the safety net is correctly assembled. A properly installed safety net is crucial to protect against injuries. Congratulations! You have finished assembling your Woolly Thunder trampoline. Congratulations! You have finished assembling your Woolly Thunder trampoline.